Here we go. It's moving. Oh, stop. There it goes. Oh, we got him. Staying down there pretty good. Oh yeah, here we go. Bending that rod. Look at him bend that rod. Oink, oink. Whoa! Me sure. Look at him bend that rod. Oh my God. Well, that is Mr. Shellcracker. What do you think, huh? Big. Big as you'd want 'em. Big as you need 'em. Big as you eat 'em. Nice color on him. Nice copper on top of the head. Yeah. Big fat Shellcracker. What's the magic word? It's contact. Oh, me sure. Me sure. Another belly flopper. Every fish straight up belly flop. Maybe we should give them some more altitude, huh? I don't know what's going on there.